Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable and install gpedit.msc on Windows 11 Home Edition. The group policy editor gpedit.msc is not available in the Windows 11 Home Edition. It is only available on the Windows 11 Pro and Enterprise editions. However, there is a way to enable and install gpedit.msc on Windows 11 Home Edition. Let's see how to do this. First of all, download these two files. Given link in the video description. Okay, open the group policy editor through the notepad. From the Save As, enter the file extension .bat and select desktop to save the file in there. Thereafter, right-click the group policy editor batch file saved on the desktop and select Run as administrator. The process has been done. Close the window and try to run gpedit.msc. In my case, it's working now. If you still got an error, then open the command text file that you downloaded earlier. And input these two commands one by one on command prompt admin. To open command prompt admin, follow the on-screen instructions. Now you can enter the command one by one. I hope this will definitely fix the problem. And I tested on the following Windows version. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.